Hello, and today I'd like to tell you about Finland. So this is map of Finland. Since I'm going to talk about it in English, so I hope you'd understand my explanation. So this is map of Finland, and I think you know that capital of Finland is Helsinki. So this is here, and I've been to Finland maybe 12 times, but I have never been to this area. So I heard this area is Lapland, and you even can see some aurora, northern light there, but only in January. Um, it's fortunately Finland used to be conquered by Russia, so the flight from Japan to Helsinki is very short. Usually, when we take a flight from Japan to European countries, at least it takes about 12 hours. But as far as you take Finnair, it takes about 9 hours because, as I told you, Finland was conquered by Russia about 200 years ago, so they are allowed to fly above Russia. So that's the reason why it takes only 9 hours. Sometimes Finnair provides us very reasonable flight, but the flight from Helsinki to this area is really expensive, and we must almost we have to give up to take train. So the main public transportation is buses. So they have a lot of long distance bus service. As you know, Finland is not a dense populated country, so it's hard for them to build a train. But actually, they have train only for carriage, not for people. So this is Helsinki, and I've been to Rauma many times. Rauma is a very beautiful city, and the city itself is already a World Heritage Site. So people there, it's hard for them to live because they have to keep their beautiful atmosphere like Kyoto in Japan. So when I went to Rauma, I have to take a change of bus once. So from airport, I took a bus 13 platform, and then as you know, Finland is next to Sweden. So you know the famous furniture shop from Sweden is IKEA. So in Finland, many people use IKEA stuff because many things in IKEA is very reasonable. So when I went to Rauma, firstly I took a bus from Helsinki airport to IKEA, and at IKEA I took another bus to go to Rauma. So this is a distance, but it took about four hours, and the bus was really comfortable, and sometimes they provide us some food or water, and almost all of bus drivers and bus attendant are really nice looking man and some of them can speak English and some of them cannot. So, and the bus is a very big one. So I really enjoyed taking the bus from Helsinki to Rauma. So firstly, I want to tell you about the sunset and sunrise in Helsinki. But firstly, okay, let's take a look about this one. So that average temperature in January is the highest temperature in January in Helsinki. But please remember, Helsinki is here. So just north part, it must be very, very cold. But anyway, the average temperature in Helsinki, no, not average, highest temperature in Helsinki in January is minus 1.7. The coldest one is minus 6.9. So look to minus 2.2. So it seems like January or maybe December. No. January is the coldest season in Helsinki, but Sodankura here. In January, the coldest temperature is minus 19.6 degree, I think Celsius, not Fahrenheit. And please look. In January, the sunrise is 9:24 in the morning. And Rovaniemi, where is it? Here. The sunrise in January is 10:59, almost 11 o'clock. And the sunset is 1:41. Look. And the December, the situation is almost same. So, but in summer, look. In summer, sunrise is 4:06 and sunset is 10:29, or even in July, the sunrise is 4 o'clock and sunset is 10:47. But this area is just triangle, so it means no sunset. So over white night. Unfortunately, in Scandinavian area, when they have black night, means almost no sunlight or no sun, many people commit suicide because of depression. So this is white night. And I told you about northern light. So this is northern light. So I've never seen northern light from the land. But when I took a flight from Japan to Helsinki, when I was walking at the corridor on a plane, a woman came to me and put her jacket on my head and took me to the window of the airplane and said, look, you can see the northern light. And I was able to see the northern light from the airplane. So the northern light which I saw was exactly same as this one. So this is about Helsinki, and I think you know about Moominland, because Helsinki, Finland is famous with Moomin. So I think Moomin land was kind of here. It's a little bit like Tokyo Disneyland, but not as big as Tokyo Disneyland, and how to say, but they open only a few months around a year. Sorry, I made a mistake. So it's almost 9 minutes. So I will tell you about Rauma or some other places at the next video. Thank you very much for your listening.